Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel if you're new. My name is Julianna. So glad you guys clicked on this video. Today, we're going to be doing a Halloween get ready with me my costume. I'm so excited. I'm going to a Halloween party tonight and we are just going to get ready. I'm going as a hippie, so that should be interesting. Dante's going as a cowboy, so we're doing hippie and cowboy, which is like a kind of like a couple's costume. We're from Texas, so that's kind of our norm, but I'm going to start and get dressed in the base clothes, and then I'll like put my extra like accessories on later after I do my hair and my makeup. So yeah. All right, you guys, let me show you guys my outfit. So this is like the base. I have this like fringe little like poncho to go over it, but it's super cold outside, so I'm not gonna like wear like a tank top. I'm gonna wear this like pink like sweatshirt. It's got pockets, so that's good. This is actually from the boutique that I work at, so got this really cute V-line neck thing, and then I got these bell-bottom jeans. I don't know if you can tell, they're like bell bottoms. They're ripped knees. Let me show you guys. Ripped knees, super cute. I love them, super chic. And this is what we're going with for the base. I'm also going to be wearing these white boots right here that I got off of Amazon. If I can try to find them, I'll link them down below. But I'm just going to be like wearing these. I'm not going to tuck my pants into them. I'm just going to wear them underneath my pants and have my pants over them. So that's what we're wearing as the shoes. And then I also have this really adorable cutie head wrap right here. And then this necklace. I got all this from Spirit Halloween. I got this necklace. I have this like headband. We're gonna do our makeup now. So I'm completely barefaced. I've been barefaced all day long. That's what I chose to do so that I can have like a clean face whenever I'm doing my Halloween makeup. So I'm gonna do like a normal face makeup, but I'm gonna do like some rosy cheeks. So you'll see that later in this like makeup tutorial, but I'm gonna moisturize first. I'm gonna use the Tatcha water cream. I love this moisturizer. Super moisturizing. Took about that much. Honestly, you probably shouldn't take that much, but put it on my neck too. Next, I'm going to use the It Cosmetics Your Skin But Better CC Plus cream. I really like this CC cream. I just like to apply it with my hands just because, you know, I don't use beauty blenders really anymore. So I just literally just like squirt it onto my face like that. Okay, now that I've done my foundation, we're gonna do concealer. I normally wear the L'Oreal Paris Infallible Full Wear Concealer, but I'm going to do the Morphe concealer this time. So this is just Morphe. It's in the shade C1.55. I'm going to use some powder to set my foundation and my concealer. So I'm going to use the Cover FX Translucent Setting Powder. I got this actually at TJ Maxx and it's really good. I really like it. I'm also going to use this Real Techniques brush. It's literally the only face brush that I have. I really need to get more face brushes just because I don't have as many as I need. That's what I got. Just going to add it into the lid. Okay, you guys, so now I'm just gonna put the excess powder back into the powder thing. And now we are going to contour. I use the Kat Von D Shade and Light palette. I really like this palette. It's really nice. It's got 3 sets of powder and 3 sets of bronzer. We're not gonna do a super bronzy look this time. We're just gonna do the middle shade. It's literally the shade that I use the most. Clearly, it's kind of hit pan. Now that I did foundation, concealer, powder, bronzer, all that jazz, we're gonna do blush. So I'm gonna use the Rare Beauty liquid blush, and this one is in Blush Believe. It's in the Believe. I love this blush. I literally use this blush like all the time if I want like more rosy cheeks, and I barely add any of it just because it's super pigmented, and if you add too much you're gonna look like a literal tomato. Okay, so now we're gonna do eyeshadow. I am super excited for the eyeshadow. So as you guys know, hippies are super into like blue eyeshadow, so that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna do a blue eyeshadow look. I have never done really any blue eyeshadow. I tested out an eyeshadow look the other day and I didn't really like it. It was cute, but it wasn't for this costume. We're gonna do something, my grandma actually recommended this, so we're gonna use these 2 colors right here. I don't know if you can see them, they're super pretty. And I'm gonna get an eyeshadow brush, like a blending brush right here. kind of fuzzy. So we're gonna start out with the blue shade right here, and we're just gonna do it in the outer crease. Alright, you guys, so now I kind of got the blue eyeshadow on my outer crease. I also put it on my lower lash line. Now, it doesn't look very good because I'm not super good at blending eyeshadow. I still need to figure it out. I'm not a makeup guru by any means. I'm gonna do the icy blue color now. Okay, that's the eyeshadow. It's super bright and super like hippie-ish, I believe. Now I'm gonna take some black liquid liner. I like the L'Oreal Paris Voluminous Superstar liner. And I'm gonna do a winged liner. Now, for the lower lash line, I'm gonna do some white liner. I have a NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Milk. It's just the white liner, and I'm gonna do it on the lower lash line. Now we're gonna do some mascara on the top and the bottom lashes. I think that mascara is super fun. What am I talking about? Now we're gonna do our lip color. We're just gonna do a sparkly shiny lip gloss. This one is from LA Colors. It is the holographic iridescent lip gloss. That's our makeup. Now we're gonna do our hair, and I'm just literally just gonna brush it out because I'm not doing anything special. I just need to put the thing over my head. What we're gonna do is we're gonna put this like poncho on now. All right, you guys, I'm super excited. This is such a cute costume and I love it. So I brushed through my hair, I put the flower crown on, and then I have the peace sign necklace, and then let me show you guys the poncho. This is the poncho. It literally just like goes over my head, and it's got all these little like patches on it and stuff. It is so cute. And then I have my jeans on and these boots. That is everything. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and enjoy, and click on more videos if you enjoy my videos. And I'll talk to you guys in my next one. Bye.